If a user's access to the platform needs to be temporarily suspended, you have the option to deactivate their account. To do so, go to User Management and search for the user. Hover over their name and click the More Options icon on the right-hand side. Then, click Deactivate User. You can also click the user's name, go to the Actions button on the right-hand side, and select Deactivate User. Confirm. Under Status, you will get a confirmation the user is now inactive. To activate a user, go to the Actions button, select Activate User, and confirm. Under Status, you will get a confirmation the user is now active. Please note, deactivating users prevents them from accessing any of the platform's resources. Access settings and group memberships will be restored automatically when the user is reactivated.